How to buy OpenAI API credits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the method in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just get started. For that, you can go ahead and access your OpenAI profile. Go over to platform.openai.com for that. And once you are here, log in into your account. If you're not logged in, you can look out for the login option at the top and basically go ahead and log in using your account. Once you are logged in from this particular interface, you may go ahead and access the settings right before profile. Click on it and access your settings. Now, in order to get the credit score for your API, you can go over and go to the billing tab from your settings menu here in the left hand side. Open it up. And in order to get the credit score, need to have certain amount balance added. So if you have added a payment method, then only you will be getting that credit score you're looking for within OpenAI. So what you need to do is go ahead and add a payment methods, and you can just go ahead and do so. You can go ahead and add it up. You can add up your card information, your name on your card, and your billing address, up everything. Just go ahead and confirm your verification and everything, and once it is confirmed, that will basically go ahead. You can just go ahead and add a balance into your API, OpenAI, and that way you will be getting it. So therefore, that's it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.